A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. As you can see here, we have a big variety of different hand tool sets so that we have the right set for everyone. So here, for example, this small compact set, this is ideal for taking away for camping, to take it in your car, in your mobile home, for example. Here you have a different variety of bits, what you can use outside. You have also here a plier and all the things you need. It's small, it's very compact, and you can store it very easy in your car or in your mobile home. Also, if you want to move in the first time in a new flat, we have here the easy set, and here you have some tools for hanging up pictures at the wall, for example. Also you have here a plier, you have here also the variety of different bits to fix your cupboards or other things you have now at home. And if you want to do more at home, we have the universal set. So here is also included the spirit level. If you want to have exact alignments of different objects, you have a measuring tape, and yes, a lot of more accessories here in this set. If you don't like this very nice bag, you also can get this universal set also in a box. And as you can see here, you can directly have a view on the material which is in this box, and this is also nice for your flat at home, and yeah, you can storage that also very, very good. And if this is not enough, then we have the advanced set for you. Here is included all you really need at home for your work in the house or also for outdoor works. And here, yes, you will not have any wish for any more tools because all the hand tools are included which you need. And so I think, yes, we have really the right set for everybody. And yeah, wish you very much fun with our tools, with our set, and that you find the right set for you.